YouTube, back with another video. This is a long time coming. Gonna be installing the GT500 wing. As you see, it's there in the garage, in the trunk. Just getting it all masked up. Took out the screws already. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Have to be careful with these because if you don't hold them, they will be falling down back of here and you're going to be in a world of trouble. So anyway, let me get back to taping this. All right, I got everything taped off. Now I'm going to use the fishing line method. See how this goes. Be right back. How to get this started, so now I'm putting in the string all over again. Yeah, that's not working too good. Yeah, but I almost got out. A little tedious work, but it's getting done. Let's go up here. You can start it with the fishing string, and then once it gets to the bolts, pretty much you're on your own. I need a thicker string. Whew. Good thing is this glue's been sitting here since 2012. off fairly easy. There it is. Whew. Without breaking anything. Alright, got it off. Yeah, you know this is a genuine Ford part when it says it right there. Ford. And it's made in Canada, out of all places. Alright. Back to the video. Alright, so I got it all cleaned up now. About to take out the spoiler, and I'm about to find these car keys. Car is filthy too. Sorry guys, bootleg like always. Okay, here's the spoiler. I'm gonna shut you guys down. Alright, so I pretty much put one screw in it just to look and see how it looks. So far it lines up where it's supposed to. Just has to go back a little bit. A little too tight on that side. I'm supposed to swing it over. But yeah, I think it looks perfect. I should have did this a long time ago. I'm gonna go here and turn around and get this thing all dialed in. Right back. All right, I got the 3M tape on. I gotta just make sure I put this nice and level. Of course, I lost the screws. It's way better when two people do it, tell you that much. God, I can't believe I misplaced my driver, but I'm back. better do a lot of editing. This was not my finest moment. So it's finally done. GT500 wing. Man, that looked good. I should have did this a long time ago. Right up here, the gurney flap goes, which I have it in the trunk. I'm gonna install that. I'm gonna order the carbon fiber one. But yeah, I mean, it looks way better than the factory. This is the comparison. This to that. Or maybe I could put a gurney flap. No, but finally I did it. I like how it looks. Definitely sticks out way more. Yeah. All right, YouTube, to the next one. Hopefully I should keep putting out a few little videos here and there. I'll show pictures with the gurney flap on. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. Take care.